Ask some questions
Yeah.
together.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So first of all, I would like to ask some questions. So, okay. So right now, how is your life going on?
Sir, it is normal.
Normal.
Yes.
Perfect.
Yeah,
Okay.
perfect.
So what do you think for your future?
Sir, I think about my future. I will now basically first of all I will complete my education.
Okay.
Then after I will go to Dubai.
Yeah, you are going to
Eventually,
Dubai.
yeah.
So why you decided to go to Dubai, not for the Canada?
Yes, sir. Because
Uh,
Canada it is not. Sir, it is too much expensive for us.
okay.
And Dubai, in Dubai, my uncle was live, so it
Yeah.
is support me and
Yeah.
it is too much easy for us also.
Okay. So you think that to go to the
Dubai.
Dubai.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. So who's living Dubai?
Sir, my uncle.
Yeah. And so what do you think? What do you decided to go there in Dubai?
Sir, I will do work.
Okay. What types of work you decided?
Sir, as a hotel manager, otherwise to
Okay.
as a work manager in a mall, multinational mall
Okay.
company.
And what did you do yesterday?
Yes, sir.
What did you do yesterday?
Yesterday, sir, now recently, today is my fast.
Okay.
So, sir, I don't have any words to explain. But, sir, yesterday I was working my shop.
Okay. How many hours did you sleep yesterday?
Sir, around 8 hours, sir. 8 hours.
8 hours.
Yes.
But still, I'm not think that you are the comfortable.
No, sir,
You are looking. You are looking in sleepy mode.
No, sir, because today is
Okay.
my fast, so I don't
Yeah.
have much energy.
Okay. Okay. So no problem. So
Yeah.
what types of questions do you want to ask me?
Yeah, sir. My question is that
Yeah.
you wrote many books.
Yeah.
So, sir, when we do any new work,
Yeah.
so, sir, it's a very sometimes we thinking it's a hard.
Yeah.
So, have you any hesitation when you wrote this book?
No, actually, sometimes what's happened when I got some difficult words. So first of all, what I do? So actually, I filter it.
Yes.
For the filtering, I actually use first of all I use the dictionary. Okay, in dictionary I see that so that is a noun, adjective, or adverb. What they want to say, and I get the total meaning of that. And after that, I survey in other books also in others. And after that, I think that what's the imaging come in my mind, and I start to write about that words.
Yes. And, sir, how you come in this field?
Actually, I don't want to come in this field, but actually, how I come in this field, actually, I don't know. But I think that what will come and what will happen in the future, that is the planning of the God. You know,
Yes.
everybody.
Yes.
जहाँ पहुँचना चाहते हो और कैसे पहुँच जाओगे आपको मालूम भी नहीं है, you know. तो यही तरीके से गॉड का प्लानिंग हम समझ सकते हैं इसे. So actually, I come this field. Actually, I started to teaching from the when I was first. Actually, I was actually having the computer classes. I was teaching some basics like a tally, and after that, I provide some job level course also because in the hobbies, what is the required? How much knowledge is required as a computer? That types of training I am providing in city area. Okay, Surat people getting comes you see there. Because 15 years ago, I was started my first classes there. In Jolly Plaza, beside the Jolly Plaza. You know, so there I started my, and 4 to 5 years I conducted there. Lots of the students, my sir, partner cheated with me, but he cheated, then I turned to him teaching, in teaching, as a spoken English. But my English was also there. There also was conducting classes. There also, but actually sometimes, but what's happened? Actually, I don't have the money to set up the computers, like to buy the computers, like so. I think that's we have a rooms and that is chairs and a fan to be conduct the classes. People started to come. Students started to come. They started the business like that.
And, sir, how many books you wrote?
Actually, recently I have written 3 to 4 books
3 to 4 books.
as per only English.
As per
And I'm thinking to I will be able to write like a stock market books because that's actually I will write a search of the concept that is a really working market. Okay, that is not theoretical. That's a practical language. Beyond of the practical, and you will use that, and you will really get the benefits.
Yes.
That is my guarantee.
Yes, sir.
Because I'm using in that and getting the profit by that. So such types of in early year I will do it. I will publish in the Amazon, and that is very cheap cost.
Yeah.
The people were the spending the minimum 15 to 20,000, but here you can only in few rupees you can get the very powerful knowledge. That is my vision.
Okay, sir. as per your opinion, Indian stock market is good for Indians or not?
So it is good, but knowledge should be have.
Yeah. People said it's like a scam. It is not good like that.
No. Actually, that is not. But if you have the proper knowledge of everything, so that you see here, every business has the problem. Every business has the losses. Chances is more. But if you got a knowledge, then you can be do that.
Okay.
If you want to think about the business is like high risk. In the India, you see that how many people do how many ratio of the people that doing the job or business. You can say.
Many people are doing jobs.
80% of people are doing it and 20 only do. So 20 only do, but they are having the high risk and high reward. The people want to think there is a low risk and low reward.
Yeah.
But you decided that actually I want a big reward, so you want to be interested in job.
Yeah.
So you have to find a business.
Yeah.
And in a business, you think that when actually in the period of the corona, so that's the education totally dumb. Okay, so there was not any opportunity. If I call to the anyone's actually I am teaching the English and can I sorry right now actually there is nothing. Actually I also decided I will come at your home and I will teach you. I also said I will teach you in 2000s. Sorry. इतना परेशान इतना frustrated हो गया था कि what to do it. Actually I am doing this but I don't have the money to. Because एक चीज अगर परेशान करती है दूसरी भी काम नहीं करती ऐसा हो जाता है. I don't have actually some problems, so I started to work in any like a Jota company. Okay, so there and after that one person he insulted me a lot, and after that I decided I will be dad, but I will not do job in my life. So from that I started to struggle again. Right now, yeah, that is okay.
And sir, will you go to abroad in the future?
No, actually, I don't have any planning to go. But in future, if I was that, but I don't have any aim to go the future because India is a very beautiful. Everything is in India.
As for the routing, like that.
But I don't have like any imaging, any attraction does not come in my mind.
Okay. Yeah.
So if I got a free time, so I like visited. When I got a time, so I like to visit it like some blind schools, like any अनाथ आश्रम बोलते हैं उसको heritage homes and there where I visited to like that because everybody like to be to enjoy ourselves but nobody like to be help to another. But when you have the free time, so I think that you have to help to another. So that is the donation.
It's an important thing for us.
Definitely.
Because so many people don't have anything like that. We have clothes, shoes, mobile phones. We don't have.
Yeah. So we have to give them.
Yeah, sir. It is important. And sir, my another question is that have you 5 to 10 lakh rupees? So sir, what do you do?
First of all, I think that how much I take the depth of the people.
Yeah.
First of all, I give them.
Okay.
And another thing is that what is the requirement of my family?
Yes, sir.
First of all, I will fulfill them.
Okay.
And after that, I have some little bit money. So I think that one who required, I will go there and I will donate that. I'm also thinking that if I will be have in future, actually I've been planning, I will got beautiful some profits and beautiful empires that I think that I will regularly go in heritage house and I will help them. I think that.
Sir, my next question is that will you expand this institute?
Actually, I want to be expand, but actually what's happened whenever I will start to expand, and I think that there is a quantity of the student when I keep the another faculty, so I again become at the same level. Because what's happened, what types of quality I want to be share you, but if I keep to another, so they don't want.
Yes.
They again come at your same place. So I believe in myself. Wherever I will there, so I have the confidence I can be developed, but I don't have the confidence to another persons. Whether you can provide them the good or not, so matter is not the thing only for their job time. Here I can give like you think that how many days you have been coming in my class? Can you explain?
Sir, I joined these classes at End of the September.
End of the September. And how many months you completed?
Yeah, sir. Around 3 to 4 months.
More than.
Sir, more than.
I think more than you completed more than 6 months.
No,
7 I think. September you joined, or you count from here. How many months?
6 months, sir. 6 months.
6 months you completed. Till now I allow you to join in the
Yeah,
class. You know?
Yeah.
So right now if you join in another classes, so what will be the situation?
Yeah, sir. He more time he told me your time is over and why you
Not more than 3 to 4 months, that duration is complete, no need to become.
Yeah, sir.
That is. So, but here, so I think that if anybody have the interest to progress, so
Yeah.
I allow you them to be continue and you get your name. Okay?
Okay,
Now
sir.
you got any questions?
No, sir.
Okay, so also play for him.